Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can simply mark cards as done in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, let's see, I have these 3 cards here. If I want to mark them as done or as a complete, I go right here, and here appears this circle. I will click on it and it is marked as complete. So you can do it in every card, and once you do that, you can see that archive card button has appeared. So we can archive it if you don't want to see it again. You don't have to delete it or anything, just archive it, and then you know it is complete and not in your way. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.